Your kidneys are bean-shaped organs that perform many important functions. They're in charge of filtering blood, removing waste through urine, producing hormones, balancing minerals, and maintaining fluid balance. There are many risk factors for kidney disease. The most common are uncontrolled diabetes and high blood pressure. Alcoholism, heart disease, hepatitis C virus, and HIV infection are also causes. However, avoiding or limiting certain foods in your diet may help decrease the accumulation of waste products in the blood, improve kidney function, and prevent further damage. 1. Caffeine. Caffeine in coffee, tea, soda, and foods can also place a strain on your kidneys. Because caffeine is a stimulant, it can stimulate blood flow, increasing blood pressure and stress on the kidneys. A 2002 study in Kidney International showed that long-term caffeine consumption exacerbated chronic kidney failure in obese and diabetic rats. Caffeine consumption has also been linked to kidney stone formation by increasing calcium excretion in urine. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are another high-potassium fruit that may not fit the guidelines of a renal diet. They can be served raw or stewed and are often used to make sauces. Just 1 cup of tomato sauce can contain upwards of 900 milligrams of potassium. Unfortunately, for those on a renal diet, tomatoes are commonly used in many dishes. Choosing an alternative with lower potassium content depends largely on taste preference. However, swapping tomato sauce for a roasted red pepper sauce can be equally delicious and provide less potassium per serving. 3. Butter. Butter contains saturated fat, which increases your risk of heart disease. The National Kidney Foundation notes that heart disease is a major risk factor for kidney disease and vice versa. Consume less butter, lard, and shortening to reduce your intake of saturated fat and lower your risk for heart and kidney disease. 4. Carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages such as soda, with or without artificial sweetener, and energy drinks are associated with the formation of kidney stones. A 2007 study demonstrated this, showing that drinking 2 or more colas per day was associated with an increased risk of chronic kidney disease. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Many people believe they are doing something healthy for their bodies when they consume artificial sweeteners because these ingredients are non-caloric. In a review of the nurses' study, researchers looked at the role of artificial sweeteners on kidney function and found that there was an increase in kidney function decline with intake of just 2 diet sodas per day. 6. Dairy products. The problem with dairy products is similar to that of other animal proteins. In fact, the China study showed that consuming dairy products increased the excretion of calcium in the urine, which has been associated with a higher risk of developing kidney stones. According to kidshealth.org, reducing dairy can help people with kidney failure and kidney disease, because it can make the filtering work of the kidneys easier, delaying the need for dialysis. 7. Processed meats. Processed meats contain a significant amount of sodium and protein, both of which are hard on your kidneys. Switch to lean cuts of whole meats.